Welcome to my house. Hi. I'm kind of in shock right now. It's also so echoey that I want to whisper. I dropped something earlier and it sounded like a bomb went off. So I'm kind of, I'm stunned. I'm a little in shock. It's a lot to take in. I closed on my house today. This is my first time seeing the house empty. This is the first time seeing my house. I own a house. I will be doing another walkthrough of my home. I almost just called it an apartment. It is not an apartment. I will be doing another walkthrough tour, telling you all of my plans and like ideas and inspiration and projects. So for the purposes of keeping this video really simple, I'm not gonna go too much into what I dislike and what I wanna change because it's a lot and I don't have time to get into that today. I'm just gonna enjoy it for what it is currently. So stay tuned for an updated tour in the future and maybe I'll dive into some of my hopes and dreams. Shall we take a tour? Let's take a tour. I'm not gonna show you any exterior, but let's go on a little empty house tour. Uh-oh. Why is it making that noise? Oh. The last thing I'm going to show you is up there.